This is my Sticker Lab review. Don't make another sticker until you watch this video until the very end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll have all the information down below. Okay, before I begin, make sure to check out my Sticker Lab page down below to get the bonuses, okay, at no additional cost. Okay, so you get that later, okay? Now, first thing I want to show you is Etsy. I got the word sticker in here. And as you can see, stickers, well, it's a thriving printable market on Etsy. Now, if you know anything about me, I always recommend newbies to check out sites that have already pre-established buyer traffic like Amazon or Etsy, right? So you know people who come to Etsy are looking to buy something, okay? And as you can see here, it has a plethora of sticker listings. People are buying these stickers, okay? Here's this sticker. People are buying it at about $4, okay? This is yen in my currency. I live in Japan. But if this were to be American dollar USD, I believe it's around $3.80 or $4, depending on the time of making this video, okay? This one here is about $6. It has many reviews. As you can see, look at these reviews. Oh, wow. I went up way too high. But it has many positive reviews. So people are actively buying this, right? So you don't have to go hunting for traffic when you can create this by yourself, okay? Now, I came across this really cool piece of software called Sticker Lab. It's at a one-time price right now. That's why I'm telling you to get this. And you can actually choose the art style you want here, and it's going to create the sticker design for you. So I'm going to go with the drawing style, and because this is a cat, I'm going to put in cat here, and I'm going to click generate image, okay? Click generate image, and it's going to create the sticker, not only the sticker, but the high quality DPI sticker image with also the sticker background. You see that? Beautiful, okay? Now all you got to do is download this, and then you can actually sell it on a site like Etsy, okay? It's very straightforward, very simple. This is a very quick little video. I just wanted to show you how this works, and without you going out there and having to create the image itself, then creating the background for the sticker, and then increasing the DPI for the highest quality ever. Instead of doing all of those different steps with all of those different pieces of software, you can do everything in-house on one tool. It's called Sticker Lab. Check it out below. And again, I'll have bonuses for this Sticker Lab product that you can get as well. And I've been selling printables for a long time. And with this tool, creating stickers is now uniquely easy for anyone to do. So if you're watching this, you're in a good position. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know down below. Have a great day.